Alright, I'm going to show you an easy way to install skateboard bearings. Put your bearing down on the table, put your wheel on top of it, and press down. Then you're going to have them set in there like this where they're not pressed in all the way. Then you're going to take a nickel, because the nickel's the same size as the bearing. And you're going to put a nickel right here, just kind of, because what you want to do is you want to put even pressure on the outside ring of the bearing. Okay, so just put a nickel on there, and then take something solid, doesn't matter what it is, and you just press down on it, and it finishes popping it into place. But you want to make sure the nickel is straight on there, and just go bingo. Now watch this, nickel just falls right out, boom, pressed all the way in. This is how I do it, because I'm a mechanic. I'm used to installing camshaft seals on cars, and you know, anytime you install a seal or something like that, you want to put even pressure on the outside of the ring. And the way people are doing it at skate shops, when they just put it on the trucks and slam it on there, they're putting all the pressure on the inner ring, which is bad, because they can actually damage the bearing when they're installing it. See, I just got another one in there. These are 42mm 1993 Santa Cruz slime balls, and yeah, that's why they look so little. Right here I have a set of 51mm Bones 100s. Fixing to show you how to install some new bearings on them. Okay, I got a brand new set of ABAC 9 bearings, so I'm going to install. When you can't push it in with your hand, you can use a tool. Use a flat metal tool. You know, I don't use spacers. They just make noise. They're just noise rattlers. No purpose on them. Like I said, if you ain't strong enough, you can take a metal object, any metal object, as long as it's pushed down on it. I got him all the way down, just making sure. These wheels, once you install the bearing, you see how it fits flush on the outside of the rim or the wheel. But yeah, you want to put even pressure around your bearings, and the nickel fits on there perfect.